Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to change your Netflix password. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Helpline and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Open Netflix and sign in. Now tap the three dots at the top right corner and tap Settings. Under Account, tap Account Details. Then at the right, tap Change Password. On this page, enter your current password and create a new password. Also, re-enter your new password to confirm. Check the box if you want to be logged out of all your devices and tap Save. So that's how you change Netflix password. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.